All right, we're out here at the Winnie Barbecue Competition Rodeo Carnival. We got us a meat slinger going in the back of the concession trailer. We got it set to 335. We're trying to finish some pork butts a little faster than we usually do, but this sucker is running 334. No faults, no issues. Got up there quick. We got them running nice and good on top up there. We don't want them putting too far down. This cooker cooks a little hot on the bottom, gets a little better on top. But this sucker gets hot. And it gets there pretty quick too. No issues with this thing. Running some a little championship blend pellets over there. Got us some Alligator Sausage Company sausage going on. They just gave us some sausage out here to try out. But this thing's running nice and good down here. No problems getting hot at all. Boom.
They made some bad birds. Look at that. Don't know what they're gonna taste like, but they sure are pretty. Got a little Slovakic sausage over here. Slovakic, however you want to pronounce it. There it is. A little jalapeno. Over here I got some Chapel Hill. And we got some birds.